Echo, Clancy. I know, right? There you go. No, don't go there. Don't go there. Meadow is chasing the duckies. Big wings! Echo! Hi, Echo! What you doing, buddy? Oats is having the time of his life. Hi, Clancy. And just in case you've been wondering, yes, I've cleaned this floor yesterday, people. This is one naughty chicken. Hey, Nancy, how are you doing? Doing okay? Stumpy okay too? Alrighty. This is how our inside birds are doing. Tika has just been released, just been naughty. So she was in the naughty box for a few minutes. Because she couldn't help herself in chasing Nancy around. Right, pretty girl? Yeah. So they're fine. Echo is obviously outside, so I can't show you guys that. And just in case you've been wondering how Tony is doing, there's Tony. Yeah, hi boy. He's enjoying the good life inside. There's food and water that I just made fresh for him. Now Tony is gonna be 10 years by 3 weeks into April. So he's one of our first and oldest ducks here. He has cataracts, as you can see from the eye, and we also think that he might have had a stroke or some sort of a seizure while he was in the pool outside, and that's why he was kind of stuck in the pool and almost drowning there. So we found that he had some neurological leftover from that. As you can see, the head is always kind of, he turns his head and then the head is kind of slowly going the other way again, which is a sign for a neurological issue. I know, buddy, right? So other than that, he's doing good. Yeah, hi bud. And just to let you know how a boy sounds like, watch out buddy, touch touch. Touch touch. I know, hi dad. He's fine, he can get up. I know. And that's how a boy sounds like. Right? I know, handsome boy. So he's doing fine, getting pampered and spoiled rotten. Right, buddy? And entertaining us, and we're entertaining him. So just wanted to show you that the inside birds are doing good, and no, we haven't forgotten about them. It's just hard to do inside and outside videos at the same time. So there you go.